Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So we're in day 23, the newly planted vegetable garden. So let me give you guys a quick tour of the garden real quick, because it's time to get my exercise in. I will be cutting the grass, and unfortunately I don't have a sit-down riding lawnmower. I have a mower that I have to walk behind, so I'm getting my exercise in today. So real quick, we got the tomatoes over here. We got the eggplants. I think I corrected the problem. There we got all the peppers. All the peppers are doing good. The other cucumber, along with that pineapple top. There goes our other cucumbers over here. Cutting the grass today. Instead of using the big boy, the Sutek Stow right here, I'm gonna use the new Toro. Okay, everybody, so I'm done cutting the grass. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. This is the front side, or the front side, I guess. And let's take a look at the back. Well, you guys probably saying this is a garden channel. Why are you showing us this grass? But this is stuff I do on a daily, weekly basis. So here is the back. All right. Here is the garden. All right, that's all I wanted to show you guys for today. I'll see you in the next one.